Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Friday before a 3-day weekend. These were always very exciting days at school before a long weekend or a vacation. So I want to talk to you a little bit about why we have a long weekend. Monday is Memorial Day, and on Memorial Day we celebrate the United States Armed Forces, the United States military. We remember those who made the ultimate sacrifice for us and our freedoms. So while you're enjoying your family time on Monday, I want you to think about that. I posted a video yesterday of a book about a boy who goes to a Memorial Day parade, and he kind of has a surprise ending in that. And talk to your families. I'm sure that you have people in your families who have served in the military, and Memorial Day is always a nice time to talk about those people in your family who have served and our great country. So outside of that, I want to talk to you today about your math and your reading. So for your reading, we have this page right here, and you know what Mrs. Miller says when something copied like this, it's a hot mess, isn't it? It's a hot mess, okay? So you don't want to ignore everything behind that line, and you're only going to do 1 through 7 because 8 cut off in the end. So you're looking at pronouns today, and pronouns are what we replace nouns with. It's kind of like our shortcut. So instead of saying, like in number 1, went to the farm, and they're saying Max would go there if you weren't replacing it with a pronoun. So Max went to the farm. Well, we're going to get rid of Max, and we're going to find a pronoun in the word bank that would take that place. All right, so would it be I, you, he, she, they, or it? For Max, it would be he, right? So you'd write he on that line. All right, so for those, you're going to fill in with those words from the word bank and look at the end of the sentences for the noun that they're giving you, okay? That tells you which one you're going to need. And you might want to read it aloud in the sentence afterwards and make sure that it makes sense. I'm not going to read the rest of that to you because that's your reading for today. Now, for math, okay, subtraction with borrowing. You know how important this is. This is a big deal in 3rd grade, okay? We've got to be comfortable with subtraction with borrowing. That's why we do so much of it. So you're going to go through and do all of the subtraction. When you're done, you find the answers that match these numbers down here, and you put the letter next to them. So when I go to check this paper, I can read the message that you wrote down here, and I'll know if you have your answers correct up here. Plus, you'll get a little secret message down there, okay? So once you get through that, you're all done for your long weekend. Enjoy this beautiful weather that we're supposed to have, and remember to talk to your families more about the meaning of Memorial Day, and stay happy and healthy.